that use. Yes, write down this. We have yes. No. Why other mobile? No. No. See here, my dear. It is not allowed. All of you mute the microphone. Wait. It is not allowed. Yes, it is not allowed. So write on this. Now let us do the second. Yes. Second, B is 4.26, 4.26, 2.46, 2.46, 4.26, 2.46, 2.4, 2.4, 4.2, 4. No, I am doing this. 4.6, 2.4, 4.2, 4.6, and 2.06. 2.06. Now arrange them. First you convert them into like terms. So now we write answer. Like terms are like decimals. Like decimals are, first you convert them into like decimals. After decimal 4.26, after decimal there are 2 digits, maximum 2 digits. So 2.46, then 2.40, then 4.20, 4.20, then 4.60, then 2.06. We have converted them into like decimals. See, Harshit, I have admitted you, but you take care that because of you, others should not get disturbed. No. Wait, my dear. No. I have admitted him. He has sent the request. Okay. Now I have admitted him. Please take care that if again there is disturbance, I cannot allow the disturbance for the whole class. So now we have arranged them in the like decimals. So after converting them into like decimals, we have to write down them. We have to write down them in the descending order. Write down them in the descending order. Write down them. Wait. Write down them in the descending order. Write down them in the descending order. Write down them in the descending order. Yes, mute the microphone. Descending order. So, descending order means, mute the microphone. Descending order means bigger to smaller. So, compare the digit from left. 4, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2. So, 4 is bigger. I will compare 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. We compare. So, after decimal, we compare the digit 4.26, 4.2. After decimal it is 2. After decimal it is 2. After decimal it is 2. After decimal it is 6. So which is bigger? 6. So we write 4.60. 4.60 is bigger than 4.26. 4.20. 4.26 is greater than 4.20. So after this 4 point, we have 2. No discussion. 2.46, 2.40, 2.06. So after decimal it is 440. 440. So 2.46 and 2.40. 2.46 is bigger. Yes. We write 2.46 is greater than 2.40 is greater than 2.06. In this way we have arranged them in the descending order. In this way we have arranged them in the descending order. Yes, today I will check it. Right. Write it fast. So now CDE, CDE will be homework. Okay, wait, CDE in the same way you will do. In the same way you will do CDE. Wait. Yes, C. No, wait. Let us solve C. Chalo. C 0.9. 0.09. Yes, no comment. 0.9, 0.09. Then 0.09. See, I am doing 0.09. Wait. 9.9. 9.9. Then 9.09. 9.09. Then 0.99. Yes. It is 0.9. Okay. It is 0.9. So what I will advise is here. It is not zero. It is by mistake. See here. No. See here. There is mistake. There is mistake in the textbook. It is not 0.9. It is 0.9. In the textbook, it is mistake. It is 0.9. It is written 0.9. By mistakenly, it is written 0. That decimal point is missed. So in fact, it is 0.9. It is 0.9. So now convert them into like decimals. Like decimals means after point they should have same number of digit. After point they should have same number of digit. After point they should have same number of digit. So now we write answer. Like decimals are right. Like decimals are like decimals are we have to convert them into like decimals. Like decimals are after point there is 3 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. So 3 is the maximum digit. 3 is the maximum digit. So I want 3 digit after point. So first I will write 0.900, then 0.009. To this 9 I will add 2 0. Then 0.090. Yes. 0.900. Then wait. See here. In the textbook it is given 9. Let us keep 9 only. Let us keep 9. Wait. Who is doing that? Huh? Who is doing? Let me debar him. Who is doing? Let us keep 9. Let us keep 9 only. In that, just now I check it. The behind answer it is given 09. 09 is same as 9. 09 is same as 9. Let me take this instead of 0.9. Let us take. Wait. No. Cancel that. In the textbook, just now I have checked on the online PDF also. It is 09. It is not 0.9. So let us take 09 only. 09 is same as 9. 09 is same as 9. So 09 we write 9, then 9.900. Now this, see here. This, there is no decimal. Are you getting this? This 9, there is no decimal. So 900, then 9.090, then 0.990. 0.990. But in this 9 there is no decimal. So I have to write this in the decimal form. 9 I can write 9.000. 9 I can write, after decimal we want 3 digits. Then others we write as it is 0.009. Then 0.090. Then 9.900. 9 I can write 9.000. We have to convert them into like decimals. Then 9.090. Then 0.990. So after converting them into like decimals, now let us write the descending order. Let us write the descending order. 09 is same as 9. This you remember. Now we compare the digit from left. It is 9, 9, 0, 0, then 9, then 9, then 0. So 9 is bigger. So now we compare this 9. After decimal it is 0. After decimal it is 9. After decimal it is 0. So this 9 is bigger. 9.900 is bigger. So we write 9.900 is greater. Then after 9.900 it is 9.000 and 9.090. After decimal it is 0. After decimal it is 0. Then we have 0. There we have 9. So this is bigger. 9.090 is bigger. 9.090 is bigger. Then we write 9.000. So 9 is over. Now we have the 0 point. This is 0, this is 0, and this is 0. After decimal it is 0. After decimal it is 0. After decimal it is 9. So this is bigger. 0.990 is bigger. 0.990 is bigger. Now which is left? These two. So this is 0. After decimal the second digit is 0. After decimal the second digit is 9. So this is bigger. So 0.090 is bigger. Then we write at the end 0.009. So in this way we wait. Yes, it is very much clear, right? So in this way we arrange them in the descending order. Yes, no problem. So in this way we arrange them in the descending order. What is very much clear? It is clearly seen in my. Yes. It is very much clear. I can. No. I will not accept. No. Yes. How you will arrange them in the. First you will convert them into. First you convert them into. first you convert them into like decimals, and then descending order means you have to write down. My dear, see, like decimal means after point they should have same number of digit. After point they should have all should have same number of digit. So after point there is 3 digit, there is 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit. So 9 I can write 9.000. 9 I will write, after decimal we want 3 digit. Then for then for descending order, we arrange the number from bigger number to smaller number. Now fifth, arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following. Others are homework. Great, my dear. Now let me write the question. Now D, because some of you might not be having that PDF. So let us write the D question. D. 87.9. 87.9. Write this. 79.8. Write down this question. Then 97.8. 97. Homework. 97.8. Then 98.7. 98.7. Then 89.7. 18. Wait. Then 8.97. See here. Now let me do this descending and let me give you ascending homework. Chalo. Is it clear? Let me do this descending, then ascending I should give you homework. How you can leave? Our period is up to 11:20. Then E is 1.1. Wait. E is 1.1, 1.01. Homework. 1.01, 0.11. Then 0.01. Then 0.101, 0.101. Then, my dear, it is very much clear. 1 point, yes. You see the setting of the phone. Yes. You see the setting of your phone. 1.001. Yes, write down. These two are homework. Yes. These two are homework. D and E. They are homework. Now let us let it be. Arrange the following in ascending order. Now D and E are homework. Let us do fifth one. Yes. Let us do fifth one. Arrange them. Fifth one. D and E are homework. D and E. Yes. You see the setting of your phone. Everything you should keep ready. And we are going slowly. Now fifth, arrange the following in the ascending order. Fifth one. Arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means you have to write from smaller to bigger. Yes. हाँ हाँ which two? No, see here, see here my dear, see here, this will be, this is, you have to see for like decimal, the number of digit after decimal should be same. We are not interested in the number of digit before decimal. We are not interested in the number of digit before point. We are interested in the number of digit after point. And for like decimal, yes. No, my dear, no, no. See, no. See here. This will be 89.70, and this will be 8.97 only. Remember, this will be 89.70 and this will be 8.97. How they are same? No. See here. There is no difference. It is 89.70 and 8.97. There is a difference. So 89 is bigger than 8. 89 is bigger than 8. Are you getting? No. No, how they are same? Let me solve D. Chalo. Let me solve D. Yes, let me solve D. Chalo. Let me solve D. Right. D. So like decimals are. Let me solve these. Like decimals are. So after point we want 2 digit, because the maximum number of digit is 2. So after point we want 2 digit. So 87.9, I will write 87.90. For like decimal we want the number of digits same after decimal. Then 79.80. Then 97.80. Then 98.70. Then 89.70. Then 8.97, we keep that only, because after decimal there are 2 digits. So now we write down them in the descending order. We compare the digits from descending order. We compare the digits from left. So now it is here. Before decimal it is 87. It is 79. It is 97. It is 98. It is 89. It is 8. Which is bigger? Before decimal. Which is bigger? 98. Yes. So we write 98.70. 98.70 is greater than, after 98 it is 97. So 97.80. After 97 it is, yes, after 97 it is 89. 89.70. After 89 it is 87. 87.90. 87.90. After 87, yes, it is 17. It is 79.80. So these are, we have covered. After decimal we read the whole number. It is 87, 79, 97, 98, 89 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, then after 79, after 79, the left is 8.97. 8.97. Now, E will be homework. Yes. Bye. Yes. Now we stop here.